Hello guys, today we're going to be playing Flood Escape 2 in Roblox right here after 1 month of not uploading. Okay, we're finally gonna upload again. And this girl seems to be struggling with lost words. Okay, what map have we got here? Castle Tides. Okay, let's beat this. Let's beat this in no button way. If you don't know the no button way, you can just watch this and yeah, you can see. Okay, my friend joined. Nexus EPZ quits. Okay, water's rising. They still haven't pressed the last button, so they're almost all dead. So let's just go to this spot right here and just hide and do it the no button way. The water is rising. And okay, now there we go, we're on top here. I think we're the only two left, are we? Me and that other guy. Let's go onto this platform and then wait for the water and the acid to rise. Oh god. No, I need to go back, Oh god. Oh god. No. That wasn't good. Okay, so this is the map, which I don't know how to pronounce, so whatever. I'm not even gonna try to say it. So, really easy map. In my opinion, it's the easiest map in Flood Escape, so yeah. Let's do this. Shortcut. Press this button. Here we go, done. Okay, let's wait for the other people to come into the escape hatch pod or whatever you want to call it. Increase to normal. Okay, so there's a new update. There's also a new map, a new normal map. It's called Northern Workshop. Let's try to find it and complete it today. Okay, Oriental Grove. Oriental Grove should be quite fine. Oh god, I fell. Let's go back up. Yeah, you should buy the festive tank as well. It's only 350 coins, quite cheap, right in the shop. So yeah. Oh, another friend's right. Pretty nice. Oh, press the button and then we are almost done. After this, I suck, man. Come on. Jesus Christ, man. Okay. A few more people before we move on to the next map. Sorry. Level 25. Come on, hurry up. Increase the heart, man. It's cool. Hideaway. Okay. Let's go, man. Press the button and then we can go down here. Okay, never mind, somebody's already gonna press it, so Yeah, we can just wait for the ladder to spawn. There we go. Okay. You can just get these 2 buttons in at first. So. And then when I hit this button, this bridge should collapse. There we go. Okay. Let's go up here. The ladder spawned. So yeah, pretty easy hard map, I say. Oops. I think it's the easiest hard map in Flood Escape. So yeah. Insane. There we go. Familiar ruins. Okay. We need act quick. In the first room, if you miss like 1 second, you're dead. So. Okay, this button should activate that platform. Okay, now we can get this box here. Oh god. Suck, man. Okay. Someone's really gonna press that button, so we can just wait here. Survive! There we go. Survive Familiar Ruins. And as I was saying, here we go. Fastest tank. Return to heart. Okay. First button. Pretty straightforward. This map is just pressing buttons and going forward, so nothing much. This one, okay. Okay, there we go. This button and then boom. Wow, that's a good ladder jump. That's a good little jump. Hop across here and let's get the last button. I think the guy did that guy fail? I think he did. So press that button and then now you can move forward to the exit. There we go. Survive Snowy Peaks. I think this map is called Snowy Peaks. Yeah, I think so. Remains at hard, the difficulty. Darkside Forest, let's go. Oh god. Okay. Bacon Man's going to press the button. Okay, Bacon Man press the button. Ladder. Boom. Oh crap. Ah. Let's spectate some people. Spectate my friend right here. You're doing good. Okay. He's using the electric aura. Oh god. That would make a lot of lag, man. Put the graphics quality all the way down to 0. So even if you equip this, like for example, I'm gonna equip auras, equip the electricity one. Yeah, I think he's dead. Never mind. Okay. Come on. You can do this, man. Buddy, come on, you can do this. No. Ah. Last person. Dead. Oof. Back to normal. Decrepit Seas. here. If you didn't know, you can boost yourself up a ladder by just holding space. So that's pretty useful, but some ladders you cannot do it. So okay, let's press this button. Boom, go back. Oh, not really any shortcuts in this map, so yeah. Let the bacon man get the button, then we can go down. There we are. How many people more are there? Come on, let's lock the lift. Okay, increase the heart. Graveyard cliffside. I'm just gonna go to this area right here and then just wall jump and then go through this shit. Oh crap. Ah. Let's spectate some people. Spectate Mr. Bacon Man next to ZPZ. Okay, Bacon Man. Expecting some other random people. Okay, come on. Has he not played this map before? Okay. So far so good. This guy's getting confused, he died. Come on, man. I think they'll be able to make it. Okay, Nexus made it. Kelvin made it. Okay, Wild Savannah. This is added quite recently as well by Rare Headrest. Pretty good map, I must say. Quite good design as well. I like the design of this map. Okay. No, okay. A lot of people say this is quite hard. I think it's just good enough for a hard map, so. Okay, got this button. Crap. Oh god. Let's get this button. And let's hop over back and up. Oh, someone locked the lift to Insane. Nexus locked the lift to Insane. Let's go, boy. My man, yo. Okay. Oh. Yeah, GG. Done. Only survivor? Wow. Locked to Insane as well. Sinking ship. Oh god. I've been wanting to complete this for quite a while now, so let me just try. Oh god. First button done. Come on, press the button. Okay, good. So far so good. Screw it. Oh god. Ladder. Come on. Come on. Here we go. Oh crap, I don't think we can make it. Yeah. First time I made it past that part though. That was amazing. Okay. Lost Desert. Let's go. I think I can do this. If I concentrate. Okay. Got this one. To go first person in this thin platforms. It's much easier. Use the wall to help you as well. That's what I do. As it's rising, oh god. Oh. Kelvin's going to get that button. Come on. Okay, never mind. I got it. Let's go, boy. No! Ah. I slipped at the last part. Come on. Come on, man. Oh crap. Dark side facility. Okay. Come on. Nope, he died. Wow, okay. Flood Island. Let's go. Pretty basic map. Normal one. Hope we can get to Insane again. If we get to Insane again, that would be awesome. I want to complete another Insane, man. I got pretty close with Lost Desert and Sinking Ship though. Okay. After this part should be breach from here. No more button pressing. Okay. Here we go. Up. Oh crap. Okay, there we go. Waters turn to lava. Okay, I don't think they'll be able to make it. This guy right here, I don't think he'll be able to make it. Yeah, he will. Yep, bye-bye. Come on, stop spinning your head, man. Just jump up here, stop spinning your head. Wow. Let's put this here. This guy is still spinning his head. He's gonna exceed max time and just die. Never mind. Swimming in chili soup. Okay. Let's get the first button. Come on, let's do this, man. Come on, got this. Okay. And boost us on the ladder. crap, no. No, 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 no. I can still do this. Come on, man. There we go. Lava tower complete. 2 survived. Returns to normal. Can we find Northern Workshop? Come on. Come on, yes. Oh yeah. The new map by Disney 12. Music sounds awesome, man. Okay, got the first button. Up here should be pretty straightforward. Just fundamentals of jumping and pressing buttons. Nothing more than that. Okay. Oh, crap, I fell. Now let's jump on these presents. Go here. Okay. Someone's already pressed that button so we can just drop down this hole. And yeah. For some reason, every time when I drop down that hole, I get confused and I don't really know where to go, so yeah. It might take a while. Jingle bells. There we go, boom, jingle bells complete. Come on, who else is not there? Oh, okay. He died. Increase the heart. Crystal caverns. Oh god, the quality is so bad with the graphics on the lowest. Okay, got it. Let's get the air bubble whilst the Mr. Banking Man gets. Let's go ahead and help him. Just in case he falls. Yeah, I know what might happen. Okay, you made it. That's good. Okay. Into the water. Whew. You press a few buttons and then, yeah, we go to the exit. It's a bit dark in here, man. Come on, make it brighter. Okay, first button. Done. Press that. Someone press that, man. Okay, let's press this one. Go back. Oh, my air tank ran out. So yeah. Let's go here. Let's wait. Okay, insane. Let's go. Abandoned facility. Okay. Okay. Let's go. First button done. Okay, that guy's gone to press the button. Wish him good luck, man. I really hope he makes it though. Otherwise we're all dead. So come on. Okay, hurry up and press the button. Okay. Yeah, I think we did. We did. To normal. Infiltration. Let's go. Okay, those two should be able to press the buttons. Okay, let's go. So let's go here. Onto the box. Go here. Okay. So down. You're gonna press the other one. So we can just wait here. Never mind, we don't need to wait. Oh, okay. Here we are, let's go. That's gonna do the glitch. I knew someone's gonna do this. Are you serious? Come on, can we exceed max time already? Come on. Okay. Remains a normal case system. Crap. Fail, come on. Okay, press. Oh yeah. Just managed to clutch that right there. Let's leave it to press the button underwater. Okay. We can just do that. And you can skip that jump. Oh, come on. You fell, man. Okay, here we go. Pressed it, man. Wow, someone beat me to it. Whatever. Okay, from here should be pretty straightforward. Just jump, jump, and jump, and jump. And more ladder thrusts. Oh god. Set a trap right here. No one in the right mind should fall for that trap. What the Okay, never mind. This should be it for today's video. If you enjoyed, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe. I'll see you all later. Peace.